Currently, the Criminal Offence Act 1960, Act 29, and the Armed Forces Act 105 make provisions for the death penalty. The Stakeholders Forum was organized to solicit for input into the private members' bill. MP for Madina, Francis Xavier Sosu, spoke at the forum about his motivation for sponsoring the bill.
Most times, the executive is confronted with a number of challenges, and their priority areas may vary from what may be seen as a general society or societal priority areas. And that is why the advent of Private Members' Bill presents an opportunity to all private members who have passion and desire to effect legislative change in aspects of our law to introduce those pieces of legislation through Private Members' Bill.
The representative of Amnesty International argued against the continuous existence of the death penalty in the country's statute books.
The death penalty is carried out, it is final. Mistakes that are made cannot be unmade. An innocent person may be released from prison for a crime they did not commit, but an execution can never be reversed. For example, as of October 2021, the innocent database by the Death Penalty Information Center shows that 186 exoneration of persons on death row in the United States were recorded. 186 people sentenced to death were exonerated.
Private legal practitioner Martin Pebu, for his part, called on MPs to support the bill when it's submitted to Parliament.
If you look at the work to be done among the parliamentarians to make sure this bill goes through, it appears to me to be far less challenging than attempting a nationwide referendum. You say, so this one looks more manageable because at least the parliamentarians are of a certain, there's some level of thinking, commonality amongst them, and so many other things. So in terms of the process, that is where I'm most interested in that. Maybe we too, at least as objective bystanders, something is here. People who are more in CSOs, I can see familiar faces here. If we'll be given a sneak preview into how lobbying, honorable, your colleagues will go, how it will be done, so that maybe we can have an idea or two, or even if no ideas to share immediately, at least so that we can take comfort in how it is done, and we can also learn.
From Parliament House, my name is Duke Mentopoku for City News.